Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the connecting Google products to N8N. Don't worry, we'll get this done in just a few minutes. Now the process is a bit different depending on whether you're using N8N Cloud or hosting it yourself. If you're on N8N Cloud, you're in luck. It's much easier. You only need to connect Google Drive through the Google Cloud Console. For everything else like Google Sheets, Documents, Gmail, Google Calendar, you can just hit that sign in button right in N8N. But if you're running your own self-hosted N8N, well, you'll need to connect each Google product separately through the Google Cloud Console. Yeah, it's a bit more work, but we will get through it together. Okay, let's dive in. I already have another Google account connected to N8N, but today we're going to set up a fresh connection for a different Google account. Now, I know this may seem a bit overwhelming, so I put together a handy PDF guide that walks you through every single step of connecting Google services with N8N. And it's completely free. Just check out the link below this video. So first thing, we need to hop over the Google Cloud Console. You can see the link right here. We're going to click Create New Project, and I call this one N8N Connections. Just make sure you're working in the right project. Trust me, you don't want to mix this up. Next up, we need to give ourselves access to all those Google products through the APIs. We'll be setting up Google Sheets, Gmail, and Google Drive step by step. Let's head over to the main Google Cloud dashboard and click on API Services. On the left side, you'll see Enable API Services. We can add whatever products we need here. Let's start with Google Drive and hit Enable. Same deal with Google Documents. Just click Enable button again. We'll keep going like this for all Google products we want to use. Google Sheets gets enabled too. Here's a quick tip. You can actually do this part later if you want. Just come back to Enable APIs and add whatever you missed. Let's add Gmail and Google Calendar while we're here. Oh, and Google Slides too. Now comes the authentication part using OAuth. Let's go back to that main dashboard, click API Services, and then OAuth Consent Screen. We'll create a new project called N8N Connections. And select our Gmail account. For personal accounts, external works perfectly fine. Just fill in your Gmail for that contact info and hit confirm. In the next step, we just need to add a test user. Simply pop in your Gmail address This is just for testing purposes anyway. Then we can publish the application. Now let's create a client. We go with the web application and name it N8N. Now here's the important part. We need to add that URI address. To get this, we'll jump back into our N8N workflow. Add new credentials and copy that URL link. Then we paste it right into the URI field. I know it may look a bit weird, but trust the process. After we verify the address and confirm everything, we'll create our new application. And here is where we get the most important info, our client ID and client secret. Don't worry if you need to find this later, just click that little pencil icon. See that? Client ID at the top, client secret below it. We'll need both for our N8N credentials. Let's copy that client ID, head back to Google Drive, and create our new credentials. We'll fill in the client ID first, then the client secret. Oh, and here's a neat trick. Rename this connection so you know which account it belongs to. It's super helpful when you've got multiple accounts. After you confirm, you'll probably see a warning pop up. Just click Advanced. That's totally normal, nothing to worry about. Confirm and then boom, your connection is live. If you're using N8N Cloud, you're all done. But if you're on self-hosted setup, we've got to repeat it for the other Google products. So we will do the same for Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Documents, Google Slides, and so on. Same client secret and client ID process. And that's it. Your N8N and Google connection is set up and ready to go. If you run into any issues or need help setting up your automations, don't hesitate to check out our website, shoot us an email, or book consultation. We're always here to help.